Hi everybody, welcome back to Candy. We've got another gorgeous piece of mulberry to show you today. So this is the Mulberry Chilton Satchel, and I'm in love with this. I think I love the design. The leather feels so nice and relaxed and comfortable, but it is still got that lovely structured shape still, which makes it very smart looking. Would be a lovely work bag. So I'll talk you through the features. We have got one top handle, and you can see embossed into that grained leather. We've got mulberry on top there, and then on the opposite side we've got that made in England as well. And then we have one adjustable strap. You can see that is actually removable as well, so you do have the option to just have it with that top handle there. And then on the back we've got those 5 feature studs there, which I think are really cool. And then we've got one nice big zipped pocket, very nice and big and spacey in there, and that zip still works very nicely as well. And then we have a flap closure with a buckle fasten, so I'll open it up and show you inside. So inside, got a lovely suede lining, and then we have 2 flap pockets here. And then you can see when you open up that flap closure underneath, we've got one more big flap pocket there as well. And you can see here, we do actually have adjustable side gussets as well. So we've got a few options on these little buckles here, so you can make those side gussets a little bit more cinched if you'd like. The condition of this bag, I'll just pop it closed again. So the condition of this Chiltern Satchel, we've called the exterior very good. You can see just along the front, and you can only really see it in certain lightings because it is very, very minimal. But there is a scratch just down here, there we go. You can see just there, a couple of scratches and a couple of scratches here. But again, you can really only see it in very certain lightings. It's fairly noticeable, and you can see it because it is quite a relaxed leather. There are some areas where it's just creased a little bit. You can see in that corner a bit more than the other corners. So that is why we've called it very good, because other than that, it is in a gorgeous condition. You can see that base has no marks or anything like that to it. That's all lovely and beautiful. So it is in a very, very good pre-loved condition. The interior, I'll open it up again and show you inside there. So interior we have called good, just because there's a few more marks on that base. It's hard to see because it is a dark lining, but there is just a couple of marks. You can see as well on the flap closure, here and there on that suede lining. So that's why we've called the interior good, because other than that, it is gorgeous. It's a very usable and lovely condition. And the hardware we've called excellent, because there's no faults or anything like that for me to show you on the hardware. You can see that it's all lovely and shiny still. It's got no scratches or anything like that to it. So I'll just pop this closed again. So coming with it, we've got Mulberry care card, and we also have little Mulberry card sleeve, and inside we've got the original receipt there as well. And then we also have lovely big Mulberry dust bag coming with the Chiltern Satchel as well. So if you wanted any exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop this Mulberry Chilton Satchel on our website. So have a click on there if you are interested in buying, and also to find out some more details on the bag. It should hopefully take you directly to this bag, but if it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you love it, we can get you on our request list. All you have to do is just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this, and the next time we get one in, we will let you know that we have it. We'll give you the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So that's the request list. I will show you the size on me for reference, as well as the exact measurements on the website. So I'm the size UK 10 and 5'4". So you can have it by that top handle, just like that, and it fits. It's nice and long, so it fits really nicely, and you're shouldered like that as well. or with the adjustable strap, you also have the option to pop it on your shoulder, but it's a little bit longer, or pop it across the body like that as well. And it's a great size. It's definitely big enough to fit kind of a laptop or an iPad in there, so if you're looking for a work bag, this would be perfect. So again, if you wanted more details on this bag, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that discount on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Like this video and subscribe to our channel if you love bags as much as we do. And don't forget to have a look at the How to Sew With Us page. We'd love to see whatever beautiful arm candy you have for us. So have a look on that page, have a read through the process of selling with us, and we will see you later with some more arm candy.